One man of Chiru community was killed while two others sustained injuries in suspected attack allegedly carried out by armed groups on Tuesday evening around 5:50 p.m. in Noni district. The incident reportedly occurred along the route leading to paddy fields between Joujangtek Kuki village and Longsai Romoi village under Khopum police station when the victims from Dolang village were heading for ploughing activities. The deceased was identified as Wilson Thanga, 45, son of Waikan Thanga of Dolang village. The injured victims, identified as Olive Jatung, 35, and his wife Aroma Jatung, 28, also from Dolang village, were evacuated by Khopum police personnel and shifted to Makam Hospital and Research Institute at Longmai in Noni around 8:45 p.m. for treatment. Olive Jatung reportedly sustained 2 bullet injuries on the left side of his stomach, while Aroma suffered a fracture on her left elbow. Senior district officials including SP Divya Tanwar, officer in charge Noni CMO Dr. Azin Maringmei along with leaders of civil society organizations and Rongmei CSOs visited the hospital and extended assistance. The injured victims were later referred to Imphal under CRPF escort and presently undergoing treatment at Shija hospitals.